Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button with your notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Now before I go for today's strategy, let me keep reminding you guys that there's a better way you can make money on Forex consistently using a software. With the help of this software, you'll be able to track entries and exits properly in the market. Many of you are very familiar with all the forex term, be it supply, demand, inducement, and every other thing, but still you are still finding it difficult to make profit consistently. This software has a full guide that is going to enable you, even though you are a new trader, you can make consistent money with it. I'm very sure because I have so many people already who are using it, and majority of them are still new to forex, but in few days they have already start understanding how the strategy work, and it has already been building their confidence level. So for you to make money in forex, it's not all about having the whole strategy in your head or probably having the whole information of what trading is. You need some information that's going to help you attain that result consistently. So with this software, detailed information has been put in place to enable you understand what price is doing, either in the forex market, the synthetic market, or the crypto market. So if you are still losing money consistently, it is not anyone's fault. Definitely there are information you are yet to get. So this can be the right time for you. I know many of you are skeptical when it is like this. You keep having this doubt. Is it true? Is it possible for one to make consistent money in forex just based on your experience? Yes, this is very possible. So my number is in the description below. If you are really ready to change your trading pattern, that means you want to stop losing, then you want to be making profit, then you can chat me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description below. Once you get it, I'm guaranteeing you, I have that assurance that with the whole information on ground, in couple of days you see the market in a new dimension and you'll be able to make consistent profits. That is just the truth about it. Forget the past experience you had. Everyone are not the same, so give it a trial so that you can recover all your losses. Not only on synthetic indices, I can log into my my currency account now, and I will show you another result on gold today because I love trading gold and the synthetic indices more. Alright, this is the result on gold for today. You can still see it. I'm not using the too much lot size. It's still the minimal lot size. And the other one you saw just now, the volatility 50, $4 is the minimum lot size. So it's not that I over traded or probably I over increased the lot size. No, that is the minimum lot size. For those of you who are not familiar with synthetic indices. So that is it, guys. If you are losing and you really want to make profit, you are tired of losing, I'm guaranteeing you that when you get this software, definitely you will see results. Is that clear? So that being said, let's get into today's strategy. Today's strategy is still on gold. Please, this strategy is going to be used on gold and all other synthetic indices. On gold, mainly on gold and all other synthetic indices, so that you don't have issue of interpretation of the signal when it comes to other pair. When we have any sort of other pair, I'm going to definitely alert you guys. So this very one is on gold and all other synthetic indices pairs. Alright, now here is it on gold. We're going to be using 15 minutes time frame. So before I show you the settings for this strategy, please, if you are new to trading, mobile strategy are mainly for scalping, so that you don't go and hold trade for too long, and when you get maybe as a result of holding it for too long, you encounter loss which can take off your account. So once the conditions are met, open for scalping, then immediately when you are done making little profit, you can close the trade, because using your mobile phone doesn't give you that privilege to see the overall market. That means you can't see what price is doing in the general market. That means based on the time frame, except probably you understand what we call technical analysis, that you can be able to analyze from a higher time frame to lower time frame. Then you'll be able to understand areas where price is going to possibly make a reversal using your mobile phone. But with the strategy I said earlier on, all has been sorted out. You don't need to panic. You would definitely see areas you should hold your trade to and when you should exit in market. So that being said, now when we are looking for a buy opportunity using this strategy, it's more or less like a breakout strategy indicating there is momentum for either buy or a sell. So please try and pay attention so that you don't miss any point. Don't fast forward this video at any point, so that you should be able to digest this information fully. Now, for a buy setup, what are you expected to see? When price is below these lines in your main chart, that is the envelope line, but I will teach you the settings. When price is below it, then you are expecting a buy opportunity. This purple line here, this purple line and the green line helps you to see momentum or to identify momentum. But at what point will you take your entry? Before you take your entry, you must see price cross above the the four lines up. Immediately price cross above it. That is condition one. The second condition is it must cross above the last parabolic SAS, because this parabolic SAS was shading price towards the downside. Immediately price crossed above the parabolic SAS, which is this parabolic SAS, the parabolic SAS start dropping at the bottom. So in the case of your window one, you also notice the parabolic SAS start dropping. Immediately the parabolic SAS start dropping, and we have these two moving average crossing above level 20, then you open for buy. Let me come again. In a buying condition, the first thing is price will be below this line. Now, when you notice price has crossed above the line, just like what we have here, there are multiple times price crossed above the all the four lines, right? But price couldn't cross above the parabolic SAR, which is this parabolic SAR. Price didn't cross above it. Immediately price cross above it and it start dropping below, then your purple and green line start either has crossed level 20 or level 50, whichever line, and you now start noticing parabolic SARs dropping below it, then you open for a buy. That is how we use it for buy. Then you hold the trade. If you have made a profit for the day, you close it. Mind you, if you are new, like I said, this is a scalping strategy. We are only waiting for an opportunity we could get maximum move of price towards the expected direction. In a sell scenario, what we want to see is this, just like the opposite of what we had earlier on. We want to see price close below. Immediately price close below here and price start dropping, then your purple line has crossed below your level 100. In the case of buy, it will cross above minus 100, but in this case it's going to cross below plus 100. The next thing you start noticing is price will start dropping at the top. Parabolic SARs will start dropping and the top, no longer be net anymore. So when you notice it, you place your sell. Your stop loss should always be at the swing. This is where your stop loss will have been. So for the price to come in and retrace back to this point, you see that you will have not lose anything and you will have made profit all through. Don't forget, I said this strategy is mainly for gold, and make sure you use 15 minutes. It is a scalping strategy for gold. It works if you follow these instructions I've given to you. So if we keep going back and back testing areas where we have buy opportunity, like I said, when we have a cross above, immediately it cross above the parabolic SAR and it cross above the lines. It must cross above the parabolic SAR and cross above the line. So this was the point we got that. Others were just closing below. The candle didn't close with full body above. So immediately we get this full body close, then we have this move here. You start seeing this drop. That is when we start opening for a buy opportunity. So you just open, then you start. Immediately you make profit, you exit the market. The probability is always high that price is going to close you on profit in as much as you are scalping. Is that clear? So if we keep back testing, you see that the results still remain consistent. The outcome always remain consistent. So please, and be familiar with your news, because some of you don't take note that you don't just open trade when you're not familiar with the economic calendar. So if you are going to be trading forex, then you should be also ready to follow up with the economic calendar. When you follow this principle, like I've stated it, you will see result. Always back test. That means practice it before going live. When we put strategy like this, you have to back test it before you go live with it. And don't forget, don't be greedy and don't open too many positions. So this is today's strategy, which I am certain is going to definitely give you result only if you follow the principles and the guide. Now let's go to the settings. Click on this icon. When you click on that icon, it will take you to the indicator home. Now the parabolic SAR, this is the setup. It has a step of 0.01, maximum 0.1. Then the style, you can use any style of your choice. The envelope, period 50, shift 0, deviation 0.013, simple, apply to close. Now this is where we have that yellow lines. We have -2 and 2. So -2 and 2 will give you those additional lines you saw earlier, and you can only do that in the level. Is that clear? So then you click on save. For your window 1, you click on RSI. The setup for RSI is period 1, apply to close. The level should be level 20, 80, 90, 100, 10 and 50. When price above 20, we'll be looking for opportunity of buy, and make sure that price in the main chart has crossed above or below those envelope line. Then the parabolic SAR still has the same settings. We just want to be sure and have the same information in our window 1. Then the moving average is period of 8, smoothed, apply to close. You can use any color of your choice. Then lastly, we have commodity channel index with period of 99, level -100, +100 and 0. That means 100 -100 0. So when price cross above -100 upward, it indicates there's momentum for buy. When price cross below +100, it indicates there's momentum for sell. So when you set all the whole thing, your chart looks like this. Is that clear? Your chart looks exactly like this. So please apply this strategy, test it before going live with it. It works very well on gold. Look at the scenario here. Immediately price crossed below it, we started having this print up here. Then we also start having it here. And what do you notice in our momentum and CCI? They started going down and price started going down. So you were definitely going to make profit with it. Just apply it as explained. The strategy is a fire, guys. But for consistency and adequate results, this one, your indicator can fail you, or probably price might not go too far. But if you want something solid, both for Forex and for synthetic indices, get that software, because it will stop all these doubts and all this fear of trading. The losses you have been making from past days, you'll be able to recover it with it. I'm very certain with it. So please inbox me with your via WhatsApp. My number is always on the description below. I'm not seeing everybody. You that want changes in your trading pattern, because definitely not everybody will be able to get it. Some, it's not that they don't have the money to get it, but being the fact that they are skeptical, they will be scared of, you know. But you that really want changes in trading, just get it. You will see results. So that is. But if you are skeptical, I have so many free strategy on my channel. You can leverage on anyone. Exactly, guys. And thanks for those of you who keep sharing my videos. Thanks for those of you who subscribe. Without you guys, I wouldn't have gone this far so far in this channel. Thank you. I really appreciate your kind gesture. See you in the next one, guys.